IT YouTubers. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install and use the latest version of Kali Linux 2020.2. For those people who don't know what is Kali Linux, I will explain it in short sentence. Kali Linux is a GNU Linux distribution released on March 13, 2013, based on Debian. The distribution took over from Backtrack. The objective of Kali Linux is to provide a distribution grouping together all the tools necessary for the security tests of an information system, in particular the penetration test. So let's now begin the process of the installation. Firstly, download the RAR file from the link in the description. You will find two documents or two folders containing each one contain ISO file. The first one is for installing directly in the hard drive, even SSD or HDD drive, and the second one is for to burn in DVD or USB stick. But you can launch it directly, and it doesn't need to be installed. So in my case I will show you how to install and use the Kali Linux, the first one, that is this one. So firstly you need to burn this one. So to do this I will let you the link in the description how to the software that is called Refuse. I will let you the link of the video in the description. So after that's done, all you have to do is to insert your DVD or your USB stick, and see you on the screen for the installation. Now select graphical install, enter. After booting from the now choose the language of the installation. In my case I will choose English and hit enter. Choose your location. In my case I will choose United States and hit enter. Choose or configure your keyboard. In my case I will choose American English. Now it's the text and mount installation media. select no, then hit enter. Your network is probably not using the DHCP protocol. Alternatively, the DHCP server may be slow or some network hardware is not working properly. Click continue, enter. Click don't configure the network at this time. Hit enter. Host name, let's it's Kali. In your case, you can use any host name you want. In my case, I will let it Kali, then I will hit enter. Full name for the new user, I will choose a random name. Jack in example. Then I will hit enter, continue. Username for your account, let it Jack. Then hit enter, continue. Password, I will give a password. Then click continue, enter. In my case, your time zone, I will check Arizona, then enter. Now the program is detecting the partition disk. For UEFI installations, this machine's firmware has started to install in UEFI mode, but it looks like there may be existing operating system already installed using BIOS compatibility mode. If you continue to install Debian UEFI mode, it may be difficult to reboot the machine into any BIOS mode operating system later. If you wish to install in UEFI mode, don't care about keeping the ability to boot one of the existing systems. The option to force that here. If you wish to keep the option to boot an existing operating system, should choose not to force UEFI installation here. Now click no, then hit enter. Please wait. Select here manual, then hit enter. Select the hard drive you want to install the operating system. In my case, I will choose this hard drive and hit enter. Yes. Create new empty partition table on this device. Click yes. Then go to finish partitioning and right change to disk. Then hit continue. No root file system is defined. Please cover this from the partitioning menu. Go to this one, enter, create new partition, continue, primary, then continue, then continue, then continue, then continue, click Don't Set in App the partition, then continue, then here click Finish Partitioning, hit Enter. You have not selected any partition for use swap space. Enabling swap space is recommended so that your system can make better use of the available physical memory, and so that it behaves better when physical memory is scarce. You may experience installation problems if you don't have any physical memory. If you don't go back to the partition menu and assign a swap partition, the installation will continue without swap space. You want to return to the partition menu, click No, then hit Enter. Write the change to the disk. Click Yes. Then continue, Enter. No network mirror was selected. If you are installing from a net and set the image and choose not to use a mirror, will end up with only a very minimal base. Continue without a network mirror. No, no. Select GNOME, then KDE Plasma, then LXDE, then Mate, Tool, and hit Continue. Install the group bootloader on hard disk. The following other operating systems have been detected on this computer. Windows Vista. If all of your operating systems are listed above them, it should be safe to install the bootloader to the master boot record of your first hard drive. When your computer boots, you will be able to choose to load one of the operating system or the newly installed Debian system. Install the group bootloader to the master boot record. Click yes and hit continue. Install the group bootloader on a hard disk. You need to make the newly installed system bootable by installing the group bootloader on a bootable device. The usual way to do this is to install group on the master boot record of your first hard drive. If you prefer, you can install group elsewhere on the drive or to another drive or even to a floppy. In my case, I will choose the hard drive that I have installed on it Kali Linux 2020.2. Then I will hit and enter. So now the installation is complete. So it's time to boot into your new system. Make sure to remove the installation media so that you boot into the new system rather than restarting the installation. So now reboot the media. I will reboot the media, then I will click on continue, then enter. And as you can see, the live version is working perfectly, and you can boot it after successfully burned the ISO file with Rufus. So now the system, the Linux system, is booting from the DVD. And as you can see, the system boots successfully. And here we have the hard drive, one terabyte, and the second one SSD 128 gigabyte. And here the trash, file system, and home. Click on home. So here you have different tools that can be used on Kali Linux, but I didn't recommend to use it because this video is for purpose only, and I don't recommend you to use it because it's prohibited. So here we have different tool: password attack, wireless attack if you want to hack Wi-Fi. Here if you want to hack a password, different tools. So that's the end of the video. If you like it, hit the like button, and also if you have any question, don't hesitate to post a comment. I will be happy to reply. And also don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Hope you are doing well, guys. See you soon on the next tutorial. Bye.